Hello, hello, hello. I don't even know where to look. There you are. So I am here with some blue hair, doing something that you requested, which is showing you how to feather the tips. What is feathering the tips of hair? It is making the ends of the hair tapered so that the braid falls to a natural point. So here we have Charmaine with her old braid install. Oh, Charmaine. So these ends are tapered. Can you see that? Or feathered. Should I do like the Instagram girls? Can you see that? Can you see? Yeah. These ends are tapered or feathered, which means they come to a peak and not a blunt end. Like so. The reason it is important to know how to feather the ends is because sometimes the hair does not come pre-stretched, depending on whether or not you provide the hair for the service. Sometimes this is the only hair available at a local beauty supply. Not blue, but you know, hair that comes unstretched. And sometimes it's just emergency hair. And so before you appreciate the shortcut of pre-stretched hair, you should know how to do it yourself. So here is how you feather the end. Take your fist and literally wrap your hand around one end of it. Bring it as close to the end as possible without releasing the hair, right? My fist creates an area for the hair to rest on. My thumb plays a crucial role in this process because my thumb is what will feed. Can y'all see that? Am I saying this right? My thumb feeds the hair from my fist to the edge to be feathered or pulled so that the end becomes longer than the rest. That pulling creates the taper. So, sidebar, this hair is the cheap $2.99 hair that I do not recommend you braid with because this hair causes braid burn for braiders and it's not good. From this position, you have a firm, controlled grip of the hair. The tension is literally in the middle of the fist. The thumb feeds the hair, and every now and then you can detangle below. Forget about what it looks like. Feed. See? Slide it over. Pull. Pull. And it doesn't have to be a lot, as long as the end result looks like this. You're taking the blunt end, feeding it over. Pulling. I pull once or twice slowly just to stay in control and detangle with my hands. Are you seeing? So this is the result we want for the ends. Blunt, feed it over, pull. You can pull once, but I think pulling once sometimes makes you pull too far and then it gets too long. So I think pulling twice just keeps it controlled. That's just my personal technique. So by the time you get here, see you're running out of hair, you're left with this. And then you have a tapered end. What you can do for hair that ends up being too long is what I just did. Pull it out and reintroduce it to the pile. So sometimes extra long pieces, I will just pull out and re-add it to the pile. because you want the ends to be tapered, but you don't want it to be too much longer than the majority, if that makes sense. So that is how you taper hair. Okay, this hair feels gross. I'm done.